Hi guys, naririnig ba ako? Sige, pwede kayo mag-unmute, total onti lang tayo. Naririnig ba ako? Gusto niyo bang mag-lecture or mag-sagot lang ng problems? Since onti lang. Or baka may papakonsult kayo. Consultation na lang bigla. Hala, wala nang sumagot sa akin. Naririnig ba ako? Yan, may nag-aayos pa doon ng audio. Nakita niyo ba yung OneNote? Ayan, okay. Sige, quick survey lang. Do you want to continue with the lesson? Lahat ba dito nakapunta sa previous lessons or at least napanood on YouTube? Yung previous lessons on geometry. Yes kapag alam na yung previous lessons and no kapag hindi naka-nood or nakapunta sa previous lectures. Chat nyo lang. Wala naman sumasagot. Antokin ako nito. Okay. Okay, nakanood naman. So, kung nakanood, gusto ko sana mag-sample problems tayo. Ngayon, para yung application ng mga problems na yun bago mag-move sa next topics. Okay, so magsagot lang tayo ng magsagot. Okay. So, sige, mag-quick review lang tayo or ano lang ba yung mga kailangan tandaan. Pagdating sa segments, ano yung kailangan tandaan dito? Actually, hindi ko ito explicitly sinabi noon, pero yung kailangan tandaan dito would be yung segment addition, postulate. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Kapag meron kang line, and let's say, ito is point, ala na ngayon pa nagloko. A, B, and point C, ang length ng segment AC would be equal to length ng segment AB plus BC. So medyo by intuition, alam naman natin itong lahat. Na ang length nitong buo is just the sum of this and this. Okay? Sorry. This part and this part. Okay? What if naman may given ka na, common problem to by the way, may given kang ganitong segment, meron kang 4 points, let's say A, B, C, and D. Given that AB is congruent to CD, anong mako-conclude mo dito? That AC is also congruent to BD. Okay? Valid ba to? Bakit? Ito, given to. Given na AB is congruent to CD. So, syempre kapag hindi to given, guys, huwag nyo i-assume na equal lang din ang AC and BD, ha? So, let's say, ito yung given natin. Ang AC and BD ay congruent dahil ang AC mo is just equal to AB plus BC. How about your BD? Yung BD mo, that's equal to BC plus CD. So kung makikita nyo, itong BC, BC. Pareho lang yan siya. And then given naman na congruent si AB and CD. So ibig sabihin, you're adding equal objects or let's say the same segment sa congruent. So ibig sabihin yung sum din nila would be congruent. Parang pareho lang yan sa algebra natin, di ba? We add the same thing on both sides, so yung sum pa rin nila, mame-maintain yung equality. Okay, correct? Na-realize na ba yun na pareho lang yan sa algebra? Okay, so common problem yung ganito, na A, B, C, D, tapos AB is congruent to CD, tapos kunwari given mo is AC, o kaya naman given mo lang is BD. So, let's look at examples. Sige. Mag-example muna tayo dito sa segment addition postulate natin. So, for example, we have, sorry. Given that AB is equal to 12, pangit naman, AC is equal to 21, ano ang length ng ating BC? So, madali lang to. BC is just equal to AC minus AB. Bakit? Kasi AC is equal to AB plus BC. So, from here, makuha natin yung BC. AC minus AB. So, from here, guys, nag-subtract lang ako ng AB from both sides. So, this is equal to 21 minus 12 or equal to 9. So, ang BC natin is equal to 9. Sige, isa pang example. Medyo mas dagdagan natin ng iba-ibang detail. Nako, naglolo ko yung ano ko. Okay, so given na naman tayo ng isang line and we have points A, B, C, and D. Okay, dito guys, hindi sinasabing equal ang A, B, and C, D ha. Wala tayong ganong given. Okay, let's say ito naman yung given natin. So, hindi ko nilalagay yung lengths dito sa line para masanay kayong nagbabasa ng mga segment names. So, let's say ang given natin, AC is equal to 9. At ba hindi ako mag-type, di ba? Kasi mas madali yun. Okay. Type tayo para mas mabilis. AC is equal to 19. Given din tayo that BC is equal to 12. And BD is equal to 21. Okay, my question is, what is the length of segment AD? Okay. Ang length ng ating segment AD would be paano natin isi-solve? Kailangan natin is AB plus BC and CD. Anong given tayo? May AC tayo. Pero wala tayong AB. Meron tayong, 12 lang to. Meron tayong BC. So, meron na tayong BC. Pero may CD tayo. Wala din, di ba? So, how do we solve for AB? Take note na itong AC is equal to AB plus BC. So, since given tayo ng BC and meron din tayong value ng AC, makukuha natin si AB. Nakuha ba, guys? Yes, exactly. So AB is equal to AC minus BC, which is equal to, ano yung AC natin? 19 minus, ang BC natin is 12. So, ang length ng ating AB would be equal to 7. Okay? Now, what is our, ano pa yung kailangan natin? CD. Paano natin isa-solve naman si CD? Kailangan pa ba natin isolve si CD? Hindi na. Okay? Kasi kung mapapansin nyo, itong BC plus CD, equal lang yan sa BD. Correct? BC plus CD. So actually, pwede rin itong equal to AB plus BD. So hindi na natin kailangan i-solve si CD. Kasi meron na tayong AB and given naman si BD. So ang sagot natin dito is going to be itong 7 plus itong 21. Equal to 28. Nakuha ba? Bakit hindi na kailangan i-solve si CD? Let's say, kinuha nyo si CD. Pwede din naman. Okay? Mapapahaba lang yung solution mo. Kasi gagawin mo ito ulit yung part na CD is equal to BD minus BC, which is equal to 21 minus 12. So that's equal to 9. So, ang mangyari, if ito yung gusto mong gamitin, itong nasa taas, you have 7 plus BC from the given is 12 plus 9. This is also equal to 28. Okay? So, mas madali lang kapag hindi mo na siya isolve. Mas mabilis pala. Okay. Madali lang, di ba? Let's look at another example. Meron ulit tayong line. And then here, we have points A, B, and C. Sorry, ang pangit. If we are given na 21 ang length ng buong line, and AB naman is equal to 3x minus 11, and this one is x minus 4. Okay, so guys, minsan, hindi ganun, kunwari yung figure, walang arrows or lines. So ito, i-assume mo na siya ang length ng in between sa 2 points. Okay? Kasi hindi always na meron silang i-provide, for example, na paganyan. Okay? Minsan, as in, nakasulat na lang yan, like here. So ito, understood dapat na ito yung sa BC. Okay? Ay, sorry. Plus 4 ito. Okay, so from here, ano ang length ng AB and BC? We know na ang sum nila, AB plus BC is equal to AC. So we can say, ano yung AB? 3x plus, minus 11 plus, ano naman yung BC natin? X plus 4. This is equal to yung buong length na 21. Okay, simplify natin to 3x plus x, that's 4x, negative 11 plus 4, that's equal to negative 7, equal to 21. Add 7 sa both sides, may iwan tayo with 4x is equal to 28. So, ang sagot natin here, x is equal to, divide both sides by 4, 7. Okay? Now, we substitute this dito sa taas para makuha natin. So, AB is equal to 3x minus 11. 3 times 7, that's equal to 21 minus 11 equal to 10. Okay, so ang AB natin is equal to 10. How about our BC? BC is equal to x plus 4. So that's 7 plus 4, which is equal to 11. Okay? And if we check, AB plus BC, tama ba na 21? Yes. Okay? Sino yung medyo nahihirapan sa mga itong type ng problem? So, yung mahirap lang dito na part, yung magiging challenge dito would be kung hirap sa algebra. Pero, concept-wise, madali lang, di ba? Okay? Sige, may example pa ba tayo? Okay na yan. May example naman tayo dito sa ganitong types of problem. If you're given 4 points, and then given that AB is equal to CD, or congruent, segment AB is congruent to segment CD, dapat ang AC mo din is congruent to BD. So, tingin tayo ng example. Let's say, again, we have a line. Segment, actually. Sorry, i-admit lang ako. And meron tayong points A, B, C, and point D. So guys, kunwari, hindi siya mukhang congruent, pero meron nakalagay na sign na congruent siya. Anong ways? Pwedeng nakastate siya, pwedeng explicitly sasabihin nila AB is congruent to CD. Okay? Sorry, ang pangit. Pwede rin na merong line dito. Okay? This shows na ang AB mo is congruent to CD kapag merong hash mark. Okay? Hash mark yung tinatawag dyan. So, pwede rin na dalawa. So, kung ano yung magkapareho yung hash mark, siya yung congruent. Okay? So, here we have AB and CD are congruent. Let's say ganito yung problem. Okay. Given BC is equal to 2 and BD is equal to 12, what is the length of AD? How do you solve for this? Anyone? BD. Since congruent ang BD sa AC, tama ba? Kasi given na congruent ang AB and CD, dapat congruent din si AC at si BD. Okay? Since congruent sila, ang AC din natin is also equal to 12. So, ibig sabihin, itong 12, that's equal to AB plus BC. Tama ba? Ang AC natin is equal to AB plus BC. And alam natin na ang BC is equal to 2. So, isulat na natin ito as 2. Now, we can solve for AB. AB is just equal to 12 minus 2, which is equal to 10. Now, what is the length of AD? Kailangan ko pa bang isolve si CD? Hindi na. I can use AD is equal to AB, tama ba? AB plus BD. Correct? So, this is equal to AB is equal to 10 plus ang given na BD is 12. So, the answer here is 22. Okay? No questions here? Madali lang naman, di ba? So, guys, if you choose to solve for CD para meron kang AB plus BC plus CD, okay lang din. Mas mahaba lang siya ng onte. Pero pag mga ganito kadaling problem, hindi naman ganun kalaking difference. Tama ba? Now, let's consider the same na figure. Pero iba na yung given natin. Let's say given 1 item. For example, we have similar problem wherein AC is equal to 3x minus 2. Okay, what else? BD is equal to 2x plus 6. Same figure guys pero different given na values or problem. What is the length of segment AD? Paano naman kapag ganito yung problem? Okay, so if you're given na congruent si AB and CD, we can say that AC is congruent to BD, correct? So, i-equate lang natin sila. So, we could get x. 3x minus 2, that's equal to 2x plus, sorry, nag-automatic kasi. 2x plus 6. Simplify natin to. Add 2x, subtract 2x on both sides. Makuha natin sa isang side is x. Add 2 on both sides, may iwan sa kabila would be 8, correct? So if x is equal to 8, what is AC equal to? 3 times 8 minus 2. Tama ba? Kasi 3x minus 2. So 3 times 8, 24. 24 minus 2, that's equal to 22. So again guys, pagdating dito, parang may kulang ako sa given ko. Ayun, may kulang ako sa given ko. And BC is equal to 5. Okay. Guys, kailangan ko pa bang isolve si BD? Ano pa yung mga kailangan kong isolve? Nakuha ko na si A to C. So actually, ang kailangan ko is C to D. And if mapapansin nyo, ang AC again is just equal to BD, di ba? So BD ibig sabihin is also equal to 22. BD is also equal to 22. Ano pwede kong gawin dito para makuha ko si CD? I can subtract BC. Tama ba? Para makuha ko si, sorry, baba ko na lang. To get CD, I can subtract BD and BC. So that's equal to, ano yung BD natin ulit? 22 minus given na BC is 5. So minus 5, that's equal to 17. Okay? Now, can I get AD? Pwede na. Kasi, meron akong AC plus CD. Okay? So guys, kapag given ka ng mga segment, hindi necessary na isolve mo per segment. Okay? Piliin yung pinakamalaking part niya na pwede nyo ma-solve and then yung naiwan na part. So here we have AC is equal to 22 plus 17, which is equal to 39. Nakuha ba to guys kung paano to sinolve? Type yes kapag walang question dito. Okay, good. How about yung iba? Medyo masyado bang mabilis or nakakalito dahil sa figure? Sorry. Okay, gets naman. Sige. Try to answer. Sige. Try nyo to. Sorry, magdodrawing lang ako saglit. Ay, mali. Nababasa niyo ba? Maliit. Okay. Solve for, given this figure, dali, may kulang pa. Okay. Given this figure, solve for AD, AB, and CD. Okay. Sige, type done kapag tapos na on this one. Okay, may iba pa bang nagsasagot? Sa pala nakatapos? Unless walang may ibang nagsasagot, then we will proceed. This is for the first one, and then ito rin. Try nyo rin tong pangalawa. Itong nasa taas and itong nasa baba. Medyo basic lang yung mga problems, no? Pero sobrang important nito, lalo na kapag marami na yung mga figure or marami ng lines. So, kailangan na pa-practice lahat. Tapos na ba sa pangalawa? Okay, let's solve the first one. So here, anong meron tayo? Ang AB is congruent to segment CD. So, ibig sabihin, ang length niya ay equal lang. Ang length nila ay equal lang. So, we have 7x plus 9 is just equal to 3x, sorry, nag-automatic. 3x plus 73. Lipat natin yung 3x sa kabila. 7x minus 3x is equal to 4x is equal to 73. Lipat natin yung 9 sa kabila. Minus 9, that's equal to 64, correct? Divide both sides by 4. Ang x natin is going to be equal to, ilan ba? 16, correct? X is equal to 16. So if x is equal to 16, AB is equal to 7 times 16 dumudoble plus 9, correct? This is equal to, AB is equal to 7 times 16. Ano yung 7 times 16 natin? Anyone, what's your answer for AB? $112 plus 9. Tama ba? Tama, 121. Okay, how about CD? Do I need to solve for CD? Hindi na. Alam natin that AB is equal to CD, which is just equal to 121. So, huwag na kayong magsayang ng oras solving that. Okay? And then, ang ating AD naman is going to be 2 times 121. Or sige, isa-isahin natin. AB plus BC plus CD. So, this is equal to 121 plus 10 plus 121. Okay? Ang final answer natin for AD is equal to 152. Correct? Tama ba? Pareho ba tayo na nakuha? Anyone? Sino nakakuha na 152 for AD? Tama ba? Okay. How about here for number 2? Ano sagot niyo for number 2, guys? How do we solve for this? Parang kulang yung given ko. AB given. Okay, hindi pala kulang. Ay, sorry. 252 dito sa taas. Mali yung add ko. Okay, thank you. How about, kaya pala walang may nagre-react. Okay, how about for this one? AB is equal to 2x minus 7. Okay, if mapapansin nyo guys, since AB, di ba meron tayong AD is equal to AB plus BC. Correct? Tama ba? Now, what is AD equal to? Equal din, ay sorry. Sorry guys. AC. Ang AC natin is equal to AB plus BC. Correct? So guys, hindi lang ito 2x minus 7 plus x plus 3 ha. Here we can actually solve for the actual value. Okay? Ang AC natin is equal to AB plus BC. Take note that our AC is also equal to BD. Tama ba? AC is also equal to BD, correct? Ibig sabihin, we can use this equation. AB plus BC is equal to BD. Ang AB natin is 2x minus 7. Ang BC natin is 4. So, plus 4 equal to ang BD natin is x plus 13. So, can we now solve for x? Pwede. Okay? So, if we simplify this, 2x minus 3, that's equal to x plus 13. 2x minus x is equal to 13 plus 3, that's equal to 16. So, ang x natin is equal to, 16 din. Okay, so ang x natin dito is equal to 16. Now, we can solve for AD. AD is equal to, bahala na kayo kung paano niyo siya gustong isolve. Ako, ang gagawin ko, I'm gonna solve for AB first. AB is equal to 2 times 16 minus 7. This is equal to 2 times 16, 32. 32 minus 7, that's equal to 25. Tama ba? Yeah. Tama? So, AD natin here is going to be AB plus BC plus CD. Ang AB natin is 25. Ang BC natin given, so 4. Anong CD natin? Ang CD natin is just congruent given by this sa AB. So, 25 lang din ulit. So, ang final answer natin is 54. Tama ba tayo? Correct ba? May nakakuha ba nito? Any questions on this problem? So, ang important dito na part is ma-realize nyo na itong first two given, itong AB and BC, if you add them, that's equal to AC. And AC is just equal to BD. So, pwede siyang equate dito sa given na BD is equal to X plus 13. Okay? No questions here? Next naman, pagdating sa segment na kailangan, isa nyo pa kailangan maalala would be yung midpoint na term. So, ano ba yung midpoint? Pag sinabi mong midpoint ang isang point, wait lang guys Okay, sorry. Okay, so kapag meron kang midpoint, ang ibig sabihin lang nun, if you have, sorry, A, B, C, if B is the midpoint, ang AB mo is equal to BC. Okay, take note, mangyayari lang yun kapag yung B mo is the midpoint. So, pag sinabi mong bisector, it could be a line. Okay? Pwede rin siya na ray. Ano yung ray? Yung ganito. Pwede din siya na line segment. As long as it passes through the midpoint. Ang tawag natin dun is bisector. So, meron tayo isang special bisector. Ang tinatawag natin na perpendicular bisector. So, ano yung perpendicular bisector? Perpendicular bisector, from the name, kapag yung bisector mo happens to be perpendicular dun sa segment na binabisect niya. Okay? So, let's say we have this line L. Line L is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay? Given na ganyan. So, tingnan natin. Let's have a problem. Line L bisects AB at point, let's say, point O. At point O. If AB is equal to 24, madali lang to. What is the length of segment OB? Madali lang, di ba? Kasi alam natin na binabisect niya ang AB. So, ibig sabihin, since nagpapass through siya sa O, AO is just equal to OB. So, let's say AO is equal to X. Ang ating AB is equal to AO plus OB. Gusto ko yung pinahaba ko lang, no? Or equal siya sa 2x since ang AO and OB ay parehong equal to x. So to get the length of AO, you just need to divide yung given na 24 by 2. AO is just equal to 24 divided by 2 or 12. Okay, so ito madali lang to. Now, how about if, sige, ipag-combine natin yung concepts kanina sa ngayon. May gusto akong i-test sa inyo. Huwag natin lagyan ng A, B, C, and D are collinear points. C is between let's mix it up. D is between A and C. B is the midpoint of A and D. Of segment AD. What is AC? What is AD and BC? What is AD and BC given that AD is equal to 53, AB is equal to 2x minus 3, and DC is equal to 4x plus 19. Try to draw this, guys. Pag may ganito ka. Anong itsura ng line mo dito? Okay, so ang line mo dito would be A, yung pagkakasunod niya is A, B, D, C. Kasi D is between A and C. And B is the midpoint of segment A, D. But parang kulang yung info ko. Hindi, tama naman. Parang sinasabi na B is between A, D, but at the same time, D is between A and C. Okay? So here we have A, B, D, and C. Ang length ng ating AB is 2x minus 3, correct? Ang DC natin is 4x plus 9. Now, how do we solve for this? Ay, oo nga, given yung AD. Sorry, mali. AC. How do we solve for this? What do we do here? Given tayo nito. Right? Sige, isa-isahin natin. Oops. We have this. Ano makuha natin from the figure? Ang AC natin is equal to AB plus BD plus DC, correct? Meron tayong AB. Meron din tayong DC. Kulang na lang tayo ng BD. Saan natin kukunin si BD? B is the midpoint of segment AD. So, ibig sabihin, equal din ito sa BD, correct? So, pwede tayong gumawa ng equation for AC is equal to AB plus BD plus DC. AC, that's equal to 53. How about AB? That's equal to 2x minus 3. ang BD mo is also equal to 2x minus 3. So, gagawin kong 2 times 2x minus 3. Nakuha naman kung saan to galing yung 2 times 2x minus 3, right? Galing lang yan sa AB plus BD. So, plus, anong DC natin? 4x plus 19. Okay? So, simplify lang natin to. 53 is equal to 2x, ito magiging 4x minus 6 plus 4x plus 19. 53 is equal to, pagsama natin yung 4x and 4x, we have 8x, negative 6 and 19, that will give us 13. Okay? Tama ba? 13. So, if ilipat natin yung 13 sa kabilang side, basically magsasubtract tayo ng 13 dito. So, we have 40 is equal to 8x. So, syempre guys, pag nasa exam kayo, pwedeng from here, diretso na kayo dito. Diba? Or pwede rin diretso dito. Depende kung gaano kabilis nyo kayang isolve mentally. Pero pag hindi, don't worry if you need to write all this. Kasi ang bagal ko lang tingnan mag-type. Pero actually, if you're writing this, mabilis lang. So, 5 is equal to x. Okay? So, i-substitute lang natin siya dito. Yung values ng x. So, we can get AD and, tama ba? Okay, so we can get AD and BC. So, ang AD natin, that's equal to 2 times 2x minus 3, correct? So, this is equal to 2 times 2 times 5 minus 3. 2 times 5, that's equal to 10 minus 3, that's equal to 7 times 2, so equal sa 14. Okay? How about BC? BC is equal to 4x plus 19. So, dalawa yung choices mo dito. Pwedeng isubtract mo na lang. Ay, hindi pala. Sorry, hindi mo siya pwede subtract. Anong hinahanap ko? BC. So, kapag may BC ka, option mo dito is to solve for AB first. Or, 53, yan yung total length, minus length ng AB. Ano yung length ng AB? Minus 2x minus 3. Tama ba, guys? Nakuha pa to. Nakaka-follow kung saan to nanggaling. So, 53 minus 2 times 5, that's equal to 10 minus 3, so minus 7. BC is equal to 46. So, nakuha, guys? Naka-follow ba? Okay. Yan, naka-follow naman. Ang mahihain naman ng mga tao, privately nag-chat. Okay. So, this is yung final answer natin dito. So, try to answer this one. Sorry. Okay. Type done kapag nakuha na. Okay. So, madali lang to, di ba? Or kung hindi man, okay lang yan. So, how do we solve for this? Kailangan pa bang i-draw? Sige, if you want to i-draw, pwede din naman. Ako for some reason, kahit unnecessary, dinodraw ko during exam. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Parang feeling ko lang mas mabilis ko siyang nasa-solve. POQ, ganyan yung itsura, correct? So, given tayo ng length ni PO, given din tayo nung kay OQ. Since midpoint nila si O, ibig sabihin equal lang silang dalawa. So, ang gagawin lang natin dito is to equate ang PO and OQ. Pag in-equate natin sila, we can solve for x. So, we have 9x minus 7, that's equal to 2x plus 14. Subtract 2x from both sides, we have 7x is equal to, add 7 on both sides, 14 plus 7, that's equal to 21. So, ang x natin is equal to 3. Okay? Ang tanong lang naman is PQ, so ako ang gagawin ko, isa lang yung kukunin ko, tapos ita times 2 ko. Kasi pag mag-solve pa ako nito, mag-solve pa ako nito, parang ang tagal. Okay, so pwede kayo pumili na mas madali. Feeling ko mas madali ito. 2x, so OQ is equal to 2 times 3 plus 14. So that's equal to 6 plus 14, 20. Ang PQ natin is just 2 times ng OQ. So the answer is 40. Tama ba? Okay? So our answer here is 40. Now, let's move on sa angles. Ito yung medyo mas, hindi ko alam kung mas tricky para sa inyo. Okay, so kung meron tayong segment addition postulate, meron din tayong similar idea pagdating sa angles natin. And then kung meron din tayong midpoint or meron tayong bisector, may similar idea din tayo pagdating sa angles natin. Alam, parang hirap pala nito isulat. Sorry, nagloko bigla yung ano ko. Nagloko bigla ang aking tablet. I'll try again. Okay. So guys, ang idea lang naman ito is ang measure ng angle ABC. Okay, marunong na ba magbasa nito? ABC is just equal to measure of ABD plus measure of DBC. Ay, sorry. DBC, correct? Yun lang naman yun. Okay, and what if ray BD bisects angle ABC? Anong mangyayari? Mangyayari is measure of angle ABD is equal to measure of angle DBC. Okay, so parang ito yung midpoint, quote and quote, same concept. And then ito naman yung segment addition postulate natin. So, madali lang to, di ba? Ano ba yung mga kailangan yung i-review pagdating sa angles? Well, familiar dapat kayo sa iba-ibang pairs, angle pairs. You have your linear, supplementary, complementary, and yung ating vertical angles. Okay. Sino dito hindi familiar dito bago tayo mag-solve ng problems? Meron bang hindi ganun ka-familiar? Anyone? Type yes kapag kailangan itong i-discuss. Okay, ayun, meron. Okay, sige. Pag sinabi nating linear angles, yan yung nagpo-form ka basically ng line. So sa linear angles, sorry guys sira. Meron kang adjacent. Wait lang, gagabitin ko na lang yung mouse ko pala. Meron kang dalawang adjacent angles. So itong angle and itong angle. So take note na yung linear pairs mo. Sorry. Let's call this angle X and angle Y. Yung X and Y mo are linear pairs. At the same time, supplementary din sila. Kasi dito, ang measure ng angle X and Y mo, ang sum nila is 180 degrees. Okay? Anong pinagkaiba ng linear sa supplementary? Pag sinabi mong linear, kailangan adjacent sila. Adjacent angles. Anong ibig sabihin ng adjacent angles ulit? Pag adjacent angles, ibig sabihin, may common ray sila. This one ang common ray nila. Okay? So, yun lang naman yun. Pag supplementary, not necessarily na magkadikit sila. Okay? So, pwedeng ito and ito. Given ka, kunwari, this is 42, ito 138. Okay? Supplementary sila kasi yung sum nila is equal to 180. Okay? So, here, sum is 180 degrees. Pag complementary naman, ang sum ng angles mo is 90 degrees. Dito, 180 din. Pero anong pinagkaiba ng dalawa? Ito, adjacent dapat. Okay? Dito, not necessarily adjacent angles. Ano naman yung vertical angles natin? Yan yung kapag meron tayong two lines na nag-intersect. Okay? Kapag nag-intersect ang two lines mo, meron kang ma-form na apat na angle. Okay? Pangalanan natin yung angles natin. Angles X, Y, and angles A, B. Pag meron kang vertical angles, or kapag meron kang two intersecting lines, meron kang ma-form na dalawang vertical angles. Ano yung vertical angles mo dito? That would be yung X and Y, okay, sila yung isang pair. And then, another would be yung A and B. Okay? A and B. So, anong special sa kanila? One, itong opposite na to, X and Y, congruent sila. Okay? So, congruent, lagyan natin ng hash mark. And yung AB mo din naman, sila naman yung congruent sa isa't isa. So, kapag meron kang intersecting lines, yung angles na na-form mo, is dalawang vertical angles, and yung vertical angles na yun ay always congruent. Okay? So, here, X is equal to Y. Yung A mo din is equal to B. So, ano yung opposite? Yun yung equal. So, yun lang naman yung kailangan nating alalahanin pag puro angles lang na problem. So, mag-try tayo mag-solve. Sige. Madali lang muna. Okay. Minsan sa geometry, walang figure. So, maganda rin na nasasanay kayo na kapag walang figure. So, natitest nyo din talaga yung comprehension. Point B is in the interior. O, hindi ko ito na-review. Pero ano yung interior ng isang angle? Measure Okay. Pag sinabi mong nasa interior, if meron tayong, let's say, ADC. So, ibig sabihin, ang vertex niya is itong nasa gitna. So, yun yung nasa vertex. ADC. Point B is in the interior. So, ibig sabihin, may point B ka na nasa gitna nung rays na to. Anywhere. So, if we connect this, may ma-form tayo na ADB and BDC. Ang ADB daw is 29 degrees. So, ang measure nito is 29 degrees. And BDC, ang measure naman daw niya is 49 degrees. Now, the question is, ano yung ADC? Measure of angle ADC is equal to yung sum lang nila, 29 plus 49. 9, which is equal to, plus 8, carry 1, 78. Okay? So, madali lang yan. Now, sige, tingnan natin. Oops, maliit. Sorry. Sorry guys, hindi ako naka-actual whiteboard, physical whiteboard, kasi naubusan ng ink yung, yung whiteboard pen, and I forgot to buy. Kaya, struggle is real. Ngayon ko lang na-realize na wala. And nakapag-schedule na ako, so hindi ko na kinancel. Okay. Kailangan ko pala mag-draw. Have okay. And, wait lang, may given pa tayo. So guys, minsan hindi na naglalagay ng, depende sa gumagawa ng problem. So ito usually, sorry, hindi ko lang magawa, pero may sign na degrees. Kunwari may given lang kayo na ganito, tapos may sign na degrees. Understood na itong 2x plus 9 is yung between a, b, x lang. Okay? And then itong 3x minus 8, yung cb, x. So what if naman guys may notation na angle B? Looking at this problem, ano yung angle B dito? Ito ba? Ito ba? Or yung buong thing? Kapag ganon, kapag isang letter lang, ibig sabihin yung pinaka malaki or pinaka nasasakupan nung B yung i-consider nyo. Okay? Anyway, going back sa problem. Okay, paano ito isa-solve? Given that ABC is 106 degrees, ibig sabihin yung sum lang nilang dalawa. Correct? So here we have 2x plus 9 plus 3x minus 8. Okay, so ito galing sa, yung 2x plus 9 galing sa ABX, and then ito naman galing sa CBX. This is equal to 106 degrees. Okay? So, simplify natin. 5x, 9 minus 8, that's equal to negative 1. Sorry, positive 1 is equal to 100. 106. Okay? 5x is equal to, subtract 1 on both sides, 105. So, ang x natin here is equal to 21. Okay? Now, ano yung measure ng ABX? So, substitute back lang natin siya. ABX is equal to 2 times 21 plus 9. So, 42 plus 9, that's equal to 51. Tama ba? 51. Okay? So, pwede mong isolve yung CBX by substituting yung 21 dito sa 3x minus 8, or pwede rin na isubtract mo na lang itong 51 from 106. 106 minus 51 is equal to 55. Okay? Wala namang questions dito, di ba? So, kung napapansin nyo, kung iisipin, parang pareho lang sa ginagawa sa segments natin kanina. So, magdagdag, sige, isang example na lang on this, then incorporate natin yung other topics sa angles. Hanggang what time po? Ay, 8 o'clock na pala, no? Kakain ba kayo? Guys, type yes if actually pa dinner time na kayo. Type yes if pa-dinner time na kayo. Kaya may mga nagtatanong kung hanggang what time. Or type no kapag nag-dinner na kayo. Para lang malaman ko. Unti lang naman tayo. Okay, so nagsi-dinner na pala kayo. Okay, may nagtanong kasi kung hanggang anong oras. Well, actually, madami lang kasi akong pool of problems na pinipare ko for mock exams, mga ganun. So, kumukuha lang ako actually from my pool of questions. Masyado mo mahaba. Sige, hanggang 8:30 lang para rin makapahinga ako. Okay. Ay, hindi na tayo nakagawa ng ng triangles. Hindi, okay lang. Okay. So, sige, tingin tayo ng okay. If line L, para familiar kayo sa iba-ibang notation at hindi kayo magulat na, so ano ibig sabihin nun? Okay, so if line L, sorry, small letter L pala. If line L bisects angle B, what is the measure of angle B? Okay, what is the measure of angle B? Paano tayo solve? Oops, typo pala. Equate lang natin sila. Kasi, if binabisect ni Ray L, sorry, hindi pala line. Ray L bisects angle B, ibig sabihin, itong 2x plus 9 is just equal to 3x minus 8. Okay? Subtract 2x from both sides and add 8 on both sides. So maging 17 is equal to x. Correct? Ay, mali. Ay, tama. 17. Okay? So, ang sagot natin dito, angle B is going to be equal to sum ng dalawa. 2x plus 9 plus 3x minus 8, or simply, pwede ko itong i-times 2, correct? Kasi, equal lang sila, dalawa dapat. Okay? So, we have 2 times 17 plus 9. 2 times 17, that's equal to 34. 34 plus 9, 43. 43 times 2, that's equal to 86. Okay? Pakicheck nga guys, may na ako sa arithmetic. So, mukhang tama naman. Answer here is 86. Sige, tapusin lang natin yung medyo incorporated na. Okay. Sige. Okay. I know, hindi pa tayo nagsasample, pero para lang ma-practice kayo. Sagutan nyo to. Kung ano yung mga naka-label na angles, ibig sabihin yun yung mga unknown. So, isa-solve lahat. Sorry, ang bagal kasi mouse yung gamit ko. Actually, pwede naman kasi ako mag-lines, di ba? Ba't pa hindi ako mag-lines? Ayan. Okay, solve for angle X and Y here. Oops. Type 1 kapag tapos na sa problem 1. If may nagsasagot. Bagal ka mag-draw. Pressure is real. Okay, then answer number 2. Okay. Sige, type done kapag tapos na sa lahat. So you have to solve for lahat ng unknowns. Ito guys, angle name yan sorry. May mali ito. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4. Okay, let's end it here. Pero sa next natin na lesson nito, itatype ko na sa PowerPoint. Sorry, I totally forgot na wala na akong ink. Kaya biglang napanote ako. Nakakainis. Mas madali kasi kapag may physical whiteboard, mas mabilis. Ang saya pa naman ng transverse problems ko. Ay, transversal lines. Kasi sige, mag-end tayo dito kasi ako actually nagugutom. Okay. Sige, dahil may mga tapos na rin, may mga nag-chat na rin sa akin na tapos, sagutan na natin to. Okay? For the first one, madali lang yung y dito. Makukuha natin agad si y. Kasi, this should be equal to this one. Kasi intersecting lines, itong dalawa, so ibig sabihin, vertical pair ito. Okay? So, y is equal to 48 degrees. Correct? Okay. How about yung x? May different ways ka para ma-realize na 90 plus x is equal to 100. Ay, sorry. 90 plus x plus 48 is equal to 180. Okay? Pwede mong isipin, wait lang, sorry guys, iusog ko to. So, y is equal to 48 degrees. Okay, so maraming ways para ma-solve to. Consider natin lahat para ma-imagine ng lahat. So, here, pwede mo i-consider yung linear pair na to. Okay? To get this, makuha mo is 180 minus 48. Kasi di ba dapat yung sum nilang dalawa is 180. So if you subtract 180 from 48, makukuha natin itong part. 48 from 180. So this part is equal to 132. Correct? And 132 should be equal to, kasi again nga, meron tayo ditong ganito, di ba? May intersecting lines tayo. Equal siya dapat sa buong angle na to. And yung buong angle na to is equal to 90, kasi right angle to, 90 plus x. Okay? So we can equate 132 is equal to 90 plus x. Another way is, pansinin niyo lang to, meron kang straight line dito. Ibig sabihin, yung lahat ng angles na nandito should be equal to 180. So 180 is equal to 90 plus x plus 48. Okay? So yun. Dapat pareho yung sagot. Ang answer here is going to be x is equal to 42. Correct? So ito yung final answers natin. X is equal to 42 and y is equal to 48. Sorry. Correct ba? Pareho ba tayo ng mga nakuha ang sagot? Type yes kapag no questions on this one. Nawala ba ako? Okay. So, okay naman. Nakuha naman to. How about here? So, dito, for me, ang pinakamabilis would be to get yung x. Okay? Kung mapapansin nyo guys, nag-full rotation ka dito. Okay? And kapag nag-full rotation ka, ibig sabihin ng total mo is 360, correct? So, ibig sabihin ng 360, that would be 125, plus itong 90 dito, plus itong x. Okay? So, 360 is equal to 125 plus 90 plus x. Okay? Pwede rin kung unahin nyo naman si y, paano mo yung masasolve? To get this, sige, unahin ko muna to, sorry. Tapusin ko muna to. 360 minus 125 plus 90, so ibig sabihin minus 215 is equal to x. So, ang x natin dito is equal to 145. Okay? And kung mapapansin nyo, x and y are linear pairs. Ayan. Okay? Linear pair sila. Ibig sabihin, x plus y is equal to 180. So, 145 plus y. So, ang y dito, makuha natin. 180 minus 145, that's equal to 35. Correct? Pareho ba tayo nasagot dito? Type yes if pare-pareho, or F na lang. Type F if pare-pareho tayo nasagot. Pag may tanong, ask lang. Okay? How about here? Ano yung una mong masasolve dito? That would be yung 2, correct? Kasi dito, meron kang vertical angles. Equal lang ang 52 sa angle 2. So, angle 2 is simply equal to 52 degrees. Ang next na masasolve would be itong angle 1. Kasi ang angle 1 and angle 2 are linear pairs. Ang total dito is 180. So angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 52 or 128 degrees. Okay? Ang angle 3 and angle 4, kung mapapansin nyo, pareho sila may hash mark, so equal lang sila. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4, which is equal to, ang sum nila dapat ay equal sa angle 1. Kasi, kung iisipin, vertical pairs ang angle 1 and yung total nitong angle 3 and angle 4. So, ibig sabihin, ang angle 3 is just equal to half ng angle 1. Angle 1 over 2. So, 128 over 2, that's equal to 64 degrees. Okay? So, final answer natin, angle 1 is equal to 128, angle 2 is equal to 52, and yung angle 3 and angle 4 natin ay parehong equal sa, 64. Okay? Let's type X kapag walang questions dito. Okay. So, sorry guys, feeling ko mas marami tayong makakover today if naka-whiteboard ako kasi marami naman akong prepared problems. Anyway, thank you guys for listening. Hindi na tayo nakapag-discuss ng triangles. Gusto niyo bang mag-discuss ng triangles? Gusto niyo? Ayaw niyo na rin. Ako lang ba yung gutom? Ako lang ba yung gutom? Sige. Ano mo mga kailangan na? Saan ba tayo nag-stop sa triangles last time? Actually, okay lang sa akin, pero feeling ko hindi niyo ako maintindihan kasi naka-mouse lang ako. Kaya ba? Naiintindihan ba? Sige, mag-discuss na lang tayo ng addition ng, sige, 820 pa lang naman. Okay. Nag-stop tayo last time sa congruence postulate. Tama ba? Correct? May questions ba on it? Now, let's discussing different parts ng triangles. Dali lang. Ang important dito, sige, type ko muna. Dapat gumawa na lang ako ng PowerPoint. I forgot na wala akong ink. Perpendicular bisector. Okay, we have that. Angle bisector. Okay. Ma'am, magkaka-PowerPoint pa to. Hindi ko na mapapromise kasi kung kailan. Kaya dinidiscuss ko siya without PowerPoint. Pero actually, bala kong gawan lahat. Ayusin ko yung sa geometry kasi nagugulo. Ako yung nagugulo. Ako yung naiinis tingnan. Anyway, yes, ideally dapat magkakaroon. Ang perpendicular bisector, mas okay kasi pag hindi pantay. So from the word, ang perpendicular bisector is, diniscuss na natin to kanina actually, or na-mention natin kanina, would be yung nagbabisect sa ating segments. So here, ang perpendicular, let's say, pangalanan natin sila. We have A, B, and C. Let's say, ito yung mga perpendicular, ito yung mga midpoint ng bawat segment. Okay. And meron silang perpendicular bisector. Okay. Kung saan nagbi-meet Sige, define muna natin yung perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector would be line na perpendicular sa side ng triangle mo and at the same time, nagpa-pass through siya sa midpoint. Okay? Kailangan na nagpa-pass through sa midpoint kasi bisector siya. And kaya perpendicular, kasi nga, perpendicular bisector ang ating tinitingnan. So, bakit concern natin to? Kasi, yung intersection ng perpendicular bisectors mo, which is this center, which is this point, rather, equidistant yan siya sa lahat ng vertices. Okay? Let's say we have point P. Okay? So, ang point P dito is the intersection of the perpendicular bisectors ng triangle natin. Ng ating triangle. So, bakit to significant? Kasi, ang point P natin is also equidistant from the vertices of the triangle. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, itong AP, that's equal to BP, that's also equal to CP. Okay? And ang tawag natin sa point P na ito would be, ano ang tawag dito? Circumcenter. Yan. Circumcenter. Okay? So, pwedeng may problem ka, tapos ganyan yung figure, hindi niya sasabihin na intersection siya ng perpendicular bisector, pero gagamitin niya yung term na circumcenter. Let's say, P is the circumcenter of the triangle. So, what is BP? Kunwari, given ka na pala nitong PC. Anyway, dapat familiar lang rin kayo sa terms and kung ano yung significance niya pagdating sa triangle mo. So, medyo define lang muna natin to. Okay? Sorry, nag-overlap. Okay. Now, tingnan naman natin tong angle bisector natin. Kung may triangle tayo, let's say this one. Siyempre, given the term angle bisector, ito naman yon, yung mga nagbabisect sa ating angles. Okay? So, siyempre, kaya lang naman natin ito inahal din kasi significant din yung center natin. Okay? Ang center natin dito, may another term dito tayo for this. This is what we call our in-center. Yung mga ito actually, rare to na lumabas sa exam, especially itong in-center. Siguro yung circumcenter pwede pa. Pero yung idea niya, bakit ito important? Kasi equidistant naman siya sa sides. So, in-center Q is equidistant okay. So, sabi nyo, sides, ma'am, ito yung buong side. Paano siya naging equidistant yan? Ang distance ng line and a point, kasi ang kino-compare natin dito is point and side. So, segment yan. Ng segment to a point would be yung, ano sa tingin nyo? Yung perpendicular distance. Okay? So, guys, hindi to bisector ha. Perpendicular distance lang yan ng point end ng line na to. So, dapat congruent daw sila. Okay? Or equal naman yung distance ng point na to from all the lines. Okay? So actually ito, wala akong masyadong naiisip na problem solving na related dito for this one. Pero dito, meron. Okay? So yan lang yung angle bisector. Yung intersection ng mga angle bisector mo would be yung in-center. And significant yung in-center because yung distance from this point to all the sides are equal. Now, ano naman yung median? Ang median natin would be, ito, medyo maraming ano dito. Okay. So, medyo, sige, paano ko ba i-lakihan natin? Pangalanan natin yung points para okay. So here guys, parang ano yung, parang ano, ang median natin would be, okay, yung mga segment whose endpoint ay midpoint ng isang segment or ng isang side and then nakakonect siya sa vertex. Okay? So this is your median. Pag let's say sinabing median DB. Okay? Pero hindi niya explicitly sinabing AD is congruent to DC. Dapat alam nyo that, na it follows na ang AD mo is congruent sa DC mo. Kasi nga, ang median mo would bisect your segment. Okay? So actually, ang median mo is bisector ng sides. Pero, maliban sa nagpapass through siya sa midpoint, dapat magpapass through din siya sa vertex sa other side. So for example here, ito ang midpoint, let's say letter E. Point E is the midpoint of CB. Diba? Makakonsider lang siya na median kapag ito siya, line that connects itong midpoint and yung vertex sa other side. Okay? So, sorry, hindi sila nag-intersect. Pero yung intersection nila is the centroid. Let's say centroid O. So, bakit significant to? Ang centroid O mo is location that is 2/3 of the distance from each vertex. So, ibig sabihin, itong CO sorry, wait lang. Each vertex to the okay, so itong distance na to, that would be 2/3 ng buong distance AE. 2/3 yan of AE. Ito naman, that would be 2/3 ng DB. Okay? So, very specific na to ng mga problems. Like, let's say, sabihin lang na, given a triangle and median C, F, AD, AE, DB intersects at point O. Okay, what is the length of this one given? So ito, possible din naman siyang lumabas, pero I doubt na gagamitin talaga nila yung term na median. But it's nice to be familiar with this in case nga na gamitin. Kasi ilang items na yung lalabas about this, so important na alam nyo na lang rin lahat in case na yung lumabas. Sabihin natin, 10 lang yung lumabas from geometry. Tapos it so happens, hindi mo pa alam yung term, di ba? So, dapat familiar tayo. So, yung O dito ang ating centroid. Actually, wala naman masyadong na pa makailangan dito. Bakit po 2/3? Well, pwede natin siyang ano ang tawag dito? Sige. Gusto mong i-ano natin? Ano ang tawag dito? I-derive? Okay, tingnan natin. Paano natin i-derive to? So, ito equal to. Ito equal. So, kaya siya 2/3, actually, dinerive na yan na formula, na relationship, kumbaga. Okay? Huwag na natin i-derive ngayon. Kasi actually, hindi ko na rin maalala yung proof niya or derivation niya. Kasi yun lang. This one, 2/3 yan siya ng buong CF. This one, 2/3 siya ng buong DP. Okay? So, pero I couldn't imagine actually nalalabas siya sa exam talaga. Actually, mas dapat yung i-mind yung term ng median, I mean yung definition ng median, which is yung nagko-connect dito sa B, sa vertex mo sa other side, and then sa midpoint ng segment na hindi ini-include yung vertex. Okay? So, yun siya. Kasi if sinabing median DB, then kung hindi siya explicitly, yung kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, kung hindi explicitly sinabing AD and DC are congruent, tapos yun na lang pala yung kailangan mo to solve it, kasi hindi mo alam na median implies na nag-intersect siya sa midpoint. Okay? Nagets niyo yun? So actually, I can't answer kung paano na-derive yung 2/3. Pero given na siya na relationship, hanapin ko nga kung paano siya derive. Or I'll try later na i-derive siya. Okay, how about altitude or height? So, altitude or height, ano lang naman to? As in like height na ginagamit nyo when you're solving, when you're solving for the area. Let's say I have A, B, C. Okay? If I'm considering BC as my base, then kukuha lang ako ng line passing through point A na perpendicular dito sa BC. Okay? So guys, take note if, let's say, sinabi niyang altitude AD. So bakit important na alam niyo yung mga difference? For example, given ka lang ng figure na ganito. Parang same with this one. Kunwari sabihin, may figure ka lang na perpendicular. Or let's say, sabihin niya lang, AD is the height or the altitude. Tapos inassume mo na perpendicular bisector siya. So, dapat alam niyo yung mga difference nila. Okay? Kasi pwedeng, kunwari, like this one, mukha siyang, kunwari, dire-diretso ko to. Tapos inassume mo na parang, ay, oh, perpendicular, so height. Or kaya ito, ay, perpendicular, so perpendicular bisector. So, pag sinabi mong height, not necessarily na nasa midpoint siya. Okay? Siya yung shortest distance between one side and yung vertex opposite sa side na yon. So, for example, here, anong height na i-consider mo dito? That would be yung distance ng line na to this point. Okay? So, let's say hindi explicitly sinabing height. Other ways to say this would be distance of segment AB distance of segment AB to point C. That would be yung height niya. Okay, relative to base na ito. So actually, hindi naman kayo iti-trick that way. Pero in case lang, yun yung mga naiisip ko for this. AB to point C. How about here? Ganun din. Okay? So, may intersection ba sila? Okay, sorry guys. Not necessarily na perpendicular ito ha. So, yung height mo, wait lang, tagalin muna natin. Actually, na mali ako ng drawing. Okay. So, yung height mo dito, pwedeng lumagpas. Kasi, yung tinitingnan mo would be yung perpendicular. Kumbaga parang same kapag nagsosolve ng area. Let's say, ito yung given na side. Di ba kapag ito yung given na side, titingnan mo yung height dito. Yung pag ganon. Okay, basta as long as dapat perpendicular siya dito. Ang pangit kasi hindi ako makapag-draw. Sorry guys, napapfrustrate ako. Hindi ko siya maayos. Actually, feeling ko hindi niya nagigets yung point ko kasi ang gulo. Itigil na natin to dito. Gagawa na lang ako ng PowerPoint para nasasayangan ako. Naintindihan niyo pa ba guys? Para ako yung nababother. Type F if itigil na natin to dito or naiintindihan niyo naman. Ay, alam, may nakapagsulat. Okay, so basically, basta yung altitude or height should be perpendicular dun sa yun, sa segment and sa vertex na tinitingnan mo. Wala akong maisip na problem dito actually. Mag-problem na lang tayo muna sa mga interior and exterior angles. Hindi ko alam kung familiar kayo pagdating sa triangles. Ay, sige. Solve tayo ng problems. Ano ba yun? Nag-extend na naman ako. Okay. Sandali. Pili ako ng magandang problem dito. Sige. First two problems, these are easy. I guess kaya nyo itong sagutin. We know, ano yung sum ng ating, sige, reply lang kayo sa chat. Ano yung sum ng ating internal angles if nakapunta ka sa previous lecture or from stock knowledge? I guess ito medyo paulit-ulit to. So, alam natin, dapat na ang sum ng lahat ng internal angles natin is 180. Okay? Guys, lahat ba marunong mag-identify ng external angle? Ang external angle natin would be, i-extend lang natin yung ating side, and then ito yung ating external angle. And then ang ating external angle, theta E, let's say, theta external. Symbol lang yan guys ha. Kung ang ating external angle, and this is our internal angle, kung mapapansin nyo, sila ay linear pair. Tama ba? So ang sum ng ating external angle at a vertex is equal to, plus yung internal angle, hindi pala external, interior and exterior. Interior angle natin is equal to 180 degrees dapat. Okay? So yan na yung alalahanin nyo dito. And then yung sum ng lahat ng interior angles natin, summation, sum, is equal to 180 degrees. How about yung external angles natin? Anong sum niya? Sorry guys, sinuulit ko to kasi lahat ng isa-solve natin. 360. Okay? Sige. Try tayong mag-solve. Okay, sige. Solve for the measures of angle A, B, and C. Type done kapag nasagot na. Sige, itong tatlo, bago tayo magsama ng mga exterior angle. Yun yung medyo, hindi naman mahirap, pero mas may tricky. Mas pwede lang lagyan ng trick, kumbaga. Okay. Nagsasagot ba? Para if wala, mag-diretso explain na tayo. Sige nga, type S kapag nagsasagot. Okay, ayan na nagsasagot. So kung mapapansin nyo guys, very important talaga ang na marunong sa basic, like basic algebra. Kasi kunwari ganito, ang dali niya lang, pero dapat sanay na sanay mag-add, subtract ng variables. Okay, sagutan na natin. For the first one, ang sum lang nila is equal to 180. So, i-add natin silang lahat. So, guys, technique here, kahit hindi nyo na siya isulat ng, kunwari nakasulat nyo na ng ganyan, huwag nyo nang i-rewrite ulit. 7x plus 5x plus 2x, that's equal to 14x. Okay? Minus 11, minus 2, minus 3, so that's equal to minus 16. Okay? (180) minus 16, that's equal to, tama ba yung ano? Ay, asan na? Correct ba? Equal to 180. 180 minus 16, that's equal to 164. I don't think divisible to by 14. Wait, check ko nga sa calculator. 164 divided by 14. Tama ba yung values ko? Hindi siya divisible. Ay, sorry. Mali. O see? Kaya important na nagpa-practice kasi tinan nyo ako. Sobrang rusty ko na, di ba? 196. Ayan. Ito, divisible yan by, divisible siya by 14. So, ang x natin here is going to be 14. Tama ba? 14 squared is equal to 196. Okay? So, substitute lang natin yan dito ulit. Ito, unahin ko siya pa yung madali. 14 times 2, that's equal to 28. 28 minus 3, that's equal to 25. 14 times 5, that's equal to 70. 70 minus 2, that's equal to 68. Okay? Depende sa inyo kung gusto nyo i-gawin pa tong A or 180 minus 68 minus 25 na lang. Okay? Ang magiging sagot dito would be 75 plus 89. Correct? Tama ba? Parang mali. Okay, mali nga. Hindi siya 89. 180 minus 68, ang makukuha is 1112. 1112 minus 75, that would be 87. Okay? So, answer is 87, 68, and 25. Here, ang C natin is just equal to measure ng B. So, basically, ita times 2 lang natin ito. So, 180 is equal to 2x plus 6. Isi-set up ko na lang to guys ha. Plus 2 times 3x minus 1. So, 180, that's equal to 2x plus 2 times 3. So, 2 plus 6, that's equal to 8x. Plus 6 plus 2 times negative 1, so minus 2, so plus 4. So 180 minus 4, that's equal to 176 equal to 8x. So x is equal to 22. Okay? So ang angle A natin dito would be 22 times 2, 44 plus 6, so that's 50. Okay? So, pwede nyo i-substitute tong 22 dito or isipin nyo 50, 180 minus 50, 130. So, 65 divided by 2. Okay? So, mapapansin nyo maraming ways para ma-solve or like, kung pagdating na lang sa mga arithmetic na part, marami namang ways to solve it. Para ba tayo na nakuha dito? 50, 65, 65. How about here? Ito, alam na natin na 90. Yan. So, what we can do is 2x plus 1 plus 5x plus 5. Huwag na natin i-add yung 90. Gawin na natin siyang equal to 180 minus 90, so 90. So, guys, pag meron ng isang given, tapos may dalawa kayong unknown, i-subtract nyo na yun from 180 para liliit na yung numbers natin. So, we have 7x, 1 plus 5, so that's equal to 6. 90 minus 6, that's equal to 84. X is equal to 12. Okay, 12 times 2, 24 plus 1. So here we have 25 degrees. 90 minus 25, that's equal to 65 degrees. Okay, 90, 25, 65. Sagot tayo ng... piling ako dito. Okay. So, kapag naman given kunwari ng triangle, or let's say, hindi explicit na triangle. Palitan natin. Let's say given tayo ng lines. And may na-form tayong triangle na shape. Okay? Take note guys na, well, ma-derive nyo pa rin naman siya definitely during exam. Pero para lang mas mabilis, let's say given ka dito, and dito, may given kang angles X and Y, and then may given kang external angle. Let's say A. Okay? Kapag yung given mo external angle, and then may given kang exterior angle, sorry. Pag given ka ng exterior angle, ng vertex na hindi given yung interior niya, etong interior niya actually, if you add it, that's equal to A. Okay? Paano nangyari yun? Yes, exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angle. Pag sabi mo opposite, yung hindi niya included. Okay? So, for example, if we have here, given ka ng 5x plus 13, 4x plus 2, and dito naman given ka with 2x minus 9. Okay, how do you solve for this? Equate mo lang. 5x plus 13, equate mo siya sa sum ng opposite interior angle niya. So guys, ito, under lang rin to sa concept ng sum theorems. Okay? 4x plus 2 plus 2x minus 9. Okay? Hindi ko na ito isa-solve kasi algebra lang rin to ulit. So, na actually ipakita ito. So, let's say, tingin tayo ng another given. Kasi minsan hindi naman niya i-draw as triangles lang talaga and explicitly sasabihin na exterior angle siya. So, minsan, mga ganyan. Pero aware naman tayo na naka-form tayo ng triangle dito. Okay. So guys, yung iba kasi may nagtanong sa akin before, ma'am, paano malalaman ko itong exterior angle yung i-consider o yung nandito? Guys, kung makikita nyo, vertical angles lang yan sila. So equal lang yan sila. So it doesn't matter kung dito ka maglagay or dito ka mag-draw. Essentially, same lang. Yan sila. Ito 112 lang din. Okay? Anyway, what is x here? 112 is equal to 21 degrees plus x. So x here is equal to 112 minus 21. Oops. So we have 91. Ay, tama ba? Yeah, 91. Okay? How about if, oops. Okay, how about if we have something like this? How do we solve for x? Any idea? Sige nga, try to solve for x, guys. Last problem na lang to, kasi actually ako yung gutom na. Type x when you're done. Okay, so if given ka ng ganito, ang gagawin mo lang dito would be, itong dalawang to, pwede mo makuha yung interior. Kasi nga, exterior plus interior is just equal to 180 degrees. So ito, 180 minus 110, this is equal to, sorry, 70, okay? How about here? This is equal to 50. Ang sum nila dito should be equal to 180. So 180, may mali ba akong nagawa? 70 plus 50 plus x. Ang sum nito is 120. So x is equal to 60. Correct? May mali ba ako sa arithmetic? Meron bang ibang way pa para ma-solve? Pwede rin na isa lang yung isolve mo dito. Let's say 70 lang yung sinolve ko. 70 plus x should be equal to itong 130. Okay? So maraming ways para ma-solve to. Pwede rin na 50 yung sinolve mo. 130 plus 50 is equal to 80. That way mo na-solve yung 50. And then, since meron kang 50 and x, ang sum nila should be 110. Okay? Sorry, hindi maintindihan yung sulat ko. 30 yan dapat. Okay? So, maraming ways for you to arrive sa the same na answer. So, yun yung maganda sa geometry actually. As long as you know yung rules, you know yung relationship ng mga bagay, makuha at makuha mo. May it be a longer method or shorter method. Ang mas important actually is makuha mo. So, kapag feeling mo ang haba ng gagawin mo, pero wala ka nang maisip na ibang solusyon, simulan mo nang gawin kaysa ina-overthink mo pa yung shorter solution. Kasi minsan baka wala lang talagang shorter solution. Okay? So, sorry guys, wala nang ink yung aking whiteboard marker, kaya napa-notes tayo ngayon at ang hirap gawin. Anyway, thank you guys for listening. In fairness, may nakikinig pa. And may mga pumupunta pa sa online lecture. Ayusin ko actually yung lectures na nasa YouTube. I mean, isi-shoot ko siya ng maayos. Pero kasi baka may ibang gusto ng mag-aral. And yun, mas magagawa ko siya agad without preparing for PowerPoint. Kasi nga medyo time-consuming din. Yun. Yeah, actually yun lang naman. And may ginagawa akong project kaya hindi ko to ma-prioritize. Pero gusto ko. I-upload ba to? Yeah, sige. I-upload ko na lang. Kahit medyo ang gulo ng lecture natin today. Siguro i-upload ko na lang siya as private, as parang private. Basta may link kayo ma-access nyo. Sa mga late, apparently may late. Okay? Okay lang. I-upload na lang natin. Thank you guys. Good night.